Budding Afro-jazz musician Takakunda Mukundu's talent has caught the eye of Indian diva Amina Shah, which has seen the duo collaborating on a track titled Laila.
The talented guitar player, who is son to veteran guitarist and music producer Clive Mukundu, is claiming his position in the music industry after collaborating with Indian diva Amina Shah on a song called Laila. Amina has been courting African musicians online, and Takakunda won her heart owing to his exceptional guitar strumming skills.
She first bumped into my videos on Instagram because I post a lot of videos doing African music, and then she said, I collab with different artists and I like your style, your African fusion of jazz and Zimbabwean traditional music, and then we did a song together. Coming to collab with her, I've learned quite a lot, especially them singing style.
A multi-instrumentalist who plays guitar, mbira, marimba and drums, Takakunda has also worked with various international artists, including Italian musician Ferdinando Anno, on a project called Tamburi, which earned a Tempo Award in Italy last year. Colette Musanyera, ZTV News, Harare.
Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.